What kind of Wales do you want to live in? Every day, we make small decisions which will affect that. We're passionate, we're caring, we're strong. We stand up and speak out when something's not right. But sometimes we reach a crossroads and we need to make bigger decisions about the Wales we want to be. Mae Cymru ar ei gorau pan da ni'n unedig. Yn gweithio gyda'n gilydd, yn anelu uwch gyda'n gilydd, ac yn canu fel un côr. Pan unwn, ein gwahaniaethau, gallwn anelu am yr un nod. Drwy gydol yn hanes, da ni wedi sefyll ochr yn ochr gyda'n gilydd I sicrhau newid. Together, we've changed lives for the better. We've pushed for better work-life balance, safer work, and a society that looks after one another. But none of this was handed down from above. United, we fought for it, and united, we won. Oherwydd, yn y pen draw, da ni gyd eisiau'r un peth, cyflogau teg, cartrefi fforddiadwy, a dyfodol llewyrchu sy'n plant. But today, our strength in unity, our undod mewn nerth, is under threat. We're told to blame each other for the difficult situations we find ourselves in. We're told that our differences are a problem, not a strength. That's not Cymru. Cymuned yw craidd ein cenedl. Gofalwn am ein cymdogion gwrthodwn rwyddiadau. Da ni'n gor o leisiau amrywiol yn canu mewn harmoni. Mae'n amser penderfynu pa fath o Gymru da ni am fod. It's time to stand up and speak out. Let's show the world that a Cymru united will never be divided.